Hi everybody, see you again with me in my YouTube channel playlist, namely Buket or Unboxing. How are you now? Are you okay for today? I hope everything goes well for you all. In front of me is a package about Diecast. I got it from Indonesian Diecast Expo official in Instagram. This merchandise I got when there is a live streaming talk at Instagram. The guest star is Sister Kla, a beautiful lady Diecaster. I gave her a question so that I am the chosen to be a winner. Okay. I want to open it now. The sender is Indonesian Diecast Expo from Jakarta. It is a t-shirt. The sender is Indonesian Diecast Expo from Jakarta. I need a cutter to open it. I will cut it here first. And cut here. I will cut here. Look. It looks like a black t-shirt. Here it is, the merchandise. I will open it to see something inside. It is amazing. Well. I also get a Diecast. It is Major et Limited Edition series. Zamac series Chevrolet Camaro. I love it so much. The detail is amazing, I think. I like number 6. Now I will see this t-shirt. Oh, I see. I get a masker too. It is cool. Here is the t-shirt. Amazing. Exclusive made amazing. And the tagline is, "Age doesn't matter." It is cool. Okay, thank you Indonesian Diecast Expo. I got t-shirt, a masker, and a beautiful diecast. Chevrolet Camaro Limited Edition. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share, please. Thank you.